Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Metaverse Technologies. Today we'll be taking a closer look at one of our products. You can see here the SKU, which is the storage keeping unit number, is afc1212de-PWM. It is made by Delta Electronics. The weight is 0.5 kilograms. Color is black. And as you can see here, the fan dimensions are 120 millimeters with a width of 38 millimeters. Also, the fan connection to the motherboard is on a 4-pin PWM. The fan voltage is 12 VDC. The fan RPMs is 3,900. The fan CFM is 148, and the fan noise is 51. This is the SKU. This allows the company or the computer to identify what the product in the item is. That's simply what SKU is. Okay, so let's take a look at what is PWM stand for this fan. So a PWM is a pulse width modulation. So these types of fans are used for computer components to control the speed of the fan in along the lines of if the component is getting too hot or if it's cooling down. So if the component is at a higher temperature, then of course the fan will go at a faster speed. So this is done to regulate the cooling and the temperature of the component. So the fan has a 4-pin connector. Some of these fans have, older fans tend to have a 3-pin connector. So if you are buying a fan, make sure that the connector that you have on your motherboard fits the connector that is shown on the fan. So as far as the fan is concerned, with the component that is regulating the temperature, you can also have a setting in your computer to control the power level that's delivered to the fan or to the pump. The fan works in correlation with the motor receiving full power or zero power. Normally the fan is automatically set to go at higher speeds or to go at lower speeds or to turn off depending on the conditions that are there in the computer or the motherboard environment. Okay, as you can see here, this is the PWM controller, and this is what the product looks like. As you can see here, it has 8 connectors, each with 4 pins, so that you can have up to a total of 8 different fans. As you can see in the upper left-hand corner is the piece that regulates and controls the speed of the fan, so you can manually set the speed of the fan from here with this switch. And this way you can, if you want the fans to go at a faster speed, then you can make this happen here, or vice versa, make it slower. PMs merely just stands for revolutions per minute. So you can see here this fan has, or the indication on the item here is 3,900 revolutions per minute. So a revolution is the rate at which it is going around a central point. So this is different from a rotation. A rotation is spinning. A revolution is the rate at which something is going around something else. To revolve is the verb that has to do with revolution. So the next item is the CFM. The CFM is the cubic feet per minute, and this is the amount of airflow that is going through the fan. There is a complicated way to calculate this number, and we're not going to go into detail on it here. If you wish to know more information about this subject matter, a link will be provided in the description below. And the last item on the list here for this product is the decibel. So decibel here is the measurement which equals 1/10 of a bell. So the first prefix here is deci or deci. Deci comes from the Latin root. So if you're interested in learning more about English, then whenever you see this word, this prefix, it means 10 or something to do with 10. So for example, the month December used to be the 10th month. So it was called the 10th month in Latin. Therefore, it started with the prefix deci or dec. However, it got moved to the 12th, so it's no longer the 10th. But that's neither here nor there. This product here shows that it is at decibel rating of 51. 51 is pretty loud. So as a forewarning, it is not really a good idea to have this level of noise somewhere in your house. Recommended that this noise level be that people or persons be around this noise level all at for large lengths of time. Hope that you have enjoyed this information and see you next time.
祝大家天天开心，干杯！